Let's do a 10-minute full coverage glam. If you are rushing for work or you need to go somewhere very quickly, we're going to do a full coverage 10-minute glam. All right.
So obviously, first things first, we go in and do our eyebrows. So yeah, we just wanted to quickly align those. Then we cover up our dark spots. So remember guys, the lighter concealer is the 2024 thing, and for me, I love the experience of the lighter concealer, and the orange one works too, but I prefer the lighter journey. Then we go in with setting spray. I always set my makeup in just before I blend it out so that it just has a much more smoother effect. So yeah, that's a hack. And then yeah, then we blend everything out. Then we go straight into our eyebrow pencil. With that, basically, we just want to line our eyebrows just a bit in spaces that we feel like it's not a bit filled in, because obviously we're going to work, it's nothing dramatic. Then we're going to go straight into our concealer just to shapen out those eyebrows and bring out that beautiful shape that you just carved out with the pencil. And then we're gonna go straight into blending that all out. Always make sure to blend it out thoroughly so that it doesn't show when you apply your foundation. So I really love this foundation. Like, it is so creamy, it is lightweight. I'm really enjoying it. I think the Maybelline makeup stuff is really like, yeah, it's just more, I just love it. It's so creamy. It's amazing. I just want to get more colors. So then obviously after we've blended out our foundation, we're going to go straight into contouring our face so that obviously we have to have a bit of dimension. We're not just people who are just brown. I mean, obviously there's tones that are darker. So yeah, we go in there with a more condensed brush to blur out that contour. Don't forget the forehead, you guys, because especially if you have combination skin, try your best to get all the colors that can match your skin. And then we go into the concealer. We've concealed the inner face, and yeah, we're going in with the pressed powder.
So I really love this look, you guys. It is so cute. It is very mindful, But this concealer, it is like giving me everything, life, sauce, everything. Like, it's super cute. Bye.